The common tern is a highly vocal seabird, particularly during the breeding season. Its calls are used to maintain contact, communicate with other birds, signal alarm, and interact within busy breeding colonies. This is the contact call of the common tern. Short, sharp notes, such as these, help birds maintain contact with one another, while flying, feeding, or moving around their breeding grounds. This is the social and conversational call of the common tern. These vocalizations are heard during interactions between birds and form part of the species' wider social communication. This is the alarm call of the common tern. A sharper and more urgent vocalization. It is given when a bird detects a potential threat or disturbance, particularly around a breeding colony. This is the colony call of the common tern. A mixture of vocalizations from adults and young birds, it creates the characteristic chorus of a busy breeding colony with contact, social, territorial, and alarm calls often heard together.